states your PIN is no longer available on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Hey guys, let's get started. If you are receiving this message that your PIN is no longer available, here is the solution to it. Make sure that you follow my instruction. So first of all, you have to press your Shift key along with the power button which is present on the bottom right corner. Once you click on that, you will receive a new page. Here you will be receiving some of the few options, so you have to click on troubleshoot. After that, you have to choose on advanced option. Then you have to click on command prompt. On the command prompt, you have to type in regedit, which is to open the registry editor. Once the registry editor is open, you have to click on H key local machine. Now you have to search for software. Double click on it. After that, inside software, you have to search for Microsoft. Double click on Microsoft. After that, scroll down a bit and you will have to search for Windows NT. Double click on it and then click on current version. Once you double click on it, you will see many options. Hereby, you have to scroll down and search for passwordless folder. Double click on it and then click on devices. Once you double click on devices, on the right side you will see two options. So you will see the second option as device passwordless build version. Now we have to right click on it and you will see the value data, which is set to 2. You will have to remove it and set it to 0. After that, you can click on OK. Then if you go back to the main page, you will see the continue option. You can safely click on that, which will then restart your device. Or you can simply give in your computer password and get logged in. So this was it for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.